Hi, I am Harihara. I am from Terminal Operations. I am the project manager for automatic tray retrieval system. The enhanced hand baggage screening system with automatic tray return was perceived with the objective of increased hand baggage throughput, reduced queue waiting time, enhanced operational efficiency, and ensuring smooth, seamless, hassle-free of passenger traveling through pre-embarkation security check. The plan was to replace existing 26 conventional X-ray machines with 19 ATRS smart lanes. The journey of ATRS planning, installing, testing and commissioning was an incredible experience.